What can companies be doing more to support LGBTQ people in the workplace?
I really view it's how we look and being there for each other, allowing and putting together leadership development programs, and also be involved with organizations like Involve.
I think you could change one thing for women in the workplace. What would that be?
I think flexible working. We're really diversifying.
What is one thing that companies can be doing to support trans people more?
Stand up for us, see us, include us, make sure that you don't back down to what's going on politically right now.
Hire trans people, support.
Yeah.
If there's moving roles to be had for trans people, I'll hire those, you know what I mean? Like, we just need to be out there.
I think more than a buzzword, just actually putting sponsorship behind what they're saying and making sure that there is a culture of belonging.
Why was it important for you to sponsor this kind of event?
Well, we just believe that inclusivity is absolutely key for everybody, and for me personally, people are people, right? Nobody should be cut out for anything else that they are.
I love that. Yeah.